Welcome. Today I am with Bose SoundSport Free and I will show you how you can pair this earbuds with your Apple Watch. So at first you have to remove both earbuds from the case. Of course you have to remember about charging. You have to charge them before the pairing. It's very important. And when you remove them from the case, you will notice that this right earbud is blinking, and right now both are blinking on the blue color. It means that they're in the pairing mode. So put them back, move to your Apple Watch. You have to go for the settings. Right now you have to go for the Bluetooth settings, and you have to be sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. So we have to tap on the switcher. After that, when the Bluetooth is turned on and the indicators blinking on the blue right here, they will pop on the available devices list. Here they are. So you have to tap once, and after a few seconds they are connected. So of course I will show you that it works. I will play music, this short part of the song, like for example we can take this one. So I hope you can hear it, and that's how you can connect your Bose SoundSport Free with your Apple Watch. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.